Now, I used to do an old school technique where I take my hair and put it in a plastic bag or put it in a microwave. However, that all changed when I found the Thermpouch. To me, the Thermpouch is something that you need when it comes to your wig maintenance routine because it's travel friendly and it's made specifically for your wigs and hair extensions. I use this with every wash or every other wash to deep condition my wigs. It's very convenient. It's so simple to use. And it keeps my old wigs looking very new and it gets the health back into them. So this is what the inside of it looks like. As you can see, this is removable so that you can rinse that out after you finish, deep conditioning so that you can clean it with ease.
This definitely helps to maintain your wigs and it's a must-have for anyone who wear hair extensions or wigs. I think it's very important to have something that you can travel with, have something that is convenient, and have something specifically for your hair extensions. If you color your wigs, you can process color faster by putting the hair inside of here. When you deep condition your wigs, that's what you're doing with this pouch. It gives the hair lots of body, lots of shine, lots of moisture, so therefore the hair looks healthier. It helps to revive your older wigs. If your wigs are just sitting around, pretty sure they're drying out. This will be very beneficial to your wig wearing regimen. Helps to restore your wigs by opening up the cuticles on the hair, using the heat that it provides, which allows the conditioner to deeply penetrate the hair. Keep your wigs looking fresh. If you go on vacation and your wig just need a refreshment after you finish partying or whatever, you'll have this handy. You can take it out and use it anytime, anywhere.